What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LCID for Lucid Group, of course, the electronic vehicle maker. On the left-hand side, we do have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. What I first need to point out is that in the post-market, we are trading higher up towards today's highs as opposed to where we closed down here at the lows towards 2450. You can see here, 2613 by 2618, so somewhere around this general area, the highs from today's session. Keep that in mind. It's not technically a gap, but we are trading back up towards those highs. In terms of what's unfolding from the daily perspective, what I want to point out is in the last video when we talked about Lucid, we talked about the line in the sand in terms of healthy consolidation being at this 2351 area. And where have we consolidated thus far? Certainly well above that area in here, and I want to adjust some of these areas. Obviously, from the 30-minute perspective, we can see that if we drag this slightly lower, let's see if we can get a click. There we go. That's kind of the mark to be watching out for, at least right now, around this 2437 area. As long as now we can consolidate in here, and again, remember that we're opening up here, granted that this holds into the 930 bell, but as long as we remain above this area in here, healthy consolidation now exists above 2437. Even if it does break, you're still watching out for that 2350 mark, but again, in an ideal scenario, like a picture-perfect world, now we're going to hold on to this structural lows around 2437 and stay inside of this overall range right here. And then that would look from the daily like this, right? And then we're taking the break, as we know, up above some of these areas here, 2735 to trade into 29. And then after that, that's where things get interesting because the target is up at 3230. Now, given the backdrop of today's broad market obviously selling off there, no surprise to see Lucid lower. But what's great about this is that, again, it respected its technical areas of support. It didn't just break it down, follow suit with the market, and move much lower. So I like that about the relative strength here inside of Lucid. And again, in the post market that we are trading higher, just seems like it wants to stay in this range. It wants to put in a period of healthy consolidation and not just completely roll over and tank back down into some of this choppier zones from in here around 23, we'll call it for round number's sake. So I like the price developments that's happening here inside of Lucid. Don't get me wrong, there are definitely some day trades to be had in this overall range right here, but from a longer term perspective in this consolidation, it's just patience, wait to see how this pans out. We know our breakout points from in here. We know the avoid points from in here. If you enjoyed the update, if you enjoyed the video today, definitely let me know down below in the comment section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.